Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's solve these three circuit with slight variation. Solve for V0. This is variation 1 and we will solve for V0. Let's redraw the circuit. 12 volt source will appear like this. You can see the diode is forward biased because the anode of the diode is connected with positive terminal of the battery and it is forward biased. We can replace a forward biased diode with a 0.7 volt source. You can see LED is also forward biased. Apply KVL and get V and I with the help of this formula. I is 14 milliampere and voltage is 9.5 volt. Now this is variation 2 in the same circuit. Flip LED. With the help of redrawing circuit, we can observe the diode is forward biased, but the LED is reverse biased and no current flows through the circuit in this case because LED behaves as an open circuit. This is variation 3 in circuit 1. We can see both diode and LED are flipped and minus 12 volt source is connected like this. The diode is forward biased because cathode of the diode is connected to negative terminal of the source. It is forward biased and similarly LED is also forward biased. Now let's apply KVL and get the values of current and voltage. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.